Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch is a popular open source machine learning library that provides a flexible and efficient platform for building deep learning models. Tensors are a fundamental data structure in PyTorch, representing multidimensional arrays that can be manipulated using various operations. In this tutorial, we will explore different ways to copy PyTorch tensors and provide code examples for each method. In PyTorch, tensors are the basic building blocks for constructing and working with neural networks. Tensors can be of different types, such as float, int, or double, and can reside on either the CPU or GPU. Understanding how to copy tensors is crucial for tasks like data augmentation, model ensembling, and gradient manipulation during training. Before delving into the methods of copying tensors, it's essential to distinguish between shallow copy and deep copy. A shallow copy creates a new tensor but shares the underlying data with the original tensor, while a deep copy creates a completely independent copy with its own data. The clone method creates a deep copy of the original tensor, including both the data and the computational graph. This method ensures that changes made to the copied tensor do not affect the original tensor. The detach method creates a new tensor that shares the same data as the original tensor but without the computational graph. It is useful when you want to perform operations on a tensor without affecting backpropagation. The torch.copy_ method performs an in-place copy of the original tensor. It is a shallow copy, meaning changes to the copied tensor will affect the original tensor and vice versa. Using the torch.tensor constructor with the original tensor as an argument creates a shallow copy. Changes to the copied tensor will affect the original tensor, and vice versa. Similar to the clone method, the torch.tensor.clone method creates a deep copy of the original tensor. The torch.tensor.detach method is similar to the detach method, creating a new tensor with the same data but without the computational graph. Let's explore some scenarios where tensor copy operations are commonly used.